Hello students. So today we are going to do exercise 3.2. Okay. So first question, you have to find the values of other 5 trigonometric functions in exercises 1 to 5. So first question is cos of x is equal to minus half and x lies in third quadrant. Okay. Cos of x equal to minus half. So if you go according to my method, that is by drawing a triangle. Okay, that way it is like this. Cos of x means this is adjacent upon opposite, right? So this is triangle, adjacent is 1, opposite is 2. So you have to find the hypotenuse is 2. Sorry, this is hypotenuse. Okay. You have to find the opposite side. So use Pythagoras theorem equal to 1 square. So root 3 is opposite side. Okay. So now this is in the third quadrant, and in the third quadrant, tan and cot are positive, right? We have seen it in last video. That is, this is all students take coffee. All means all are positive. Sin and cosec are positive. Tan and cot are positive. Cos and sec are positive. Okay, tan and cot are positive here. First we'll write all the values. So sin of x is root 3 upon 2. Tan of x is root 3 by 1. Cosec of x is 2 by root 3. Cot of x is 1 by root 3. And sec of x is 2. Okay. Now tan and cot are positive, and rest all you have to give a negative sign. Okay. Another method is by using the identity. That is, cos is given, so you can use the identity sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Okay. So your sin x is root of 1 minus cos square x, that is 1 upon 4. 4 minus 3 is 3 by 2 plus or minus. So this is your sin of x. And then you can write all the values. Okay. Next is sin x equal to 3 upon 5, and x lies in the second quadrant. Okay. So drawing the triangle. So using triplets, this will be 4. Cos of x is 4 by 5. Tan of x is 3 by 4. Cot of x is 4 by 3. Cosec of x is 5 by 3. Sec of x is 5 by 4. Okay. So x lies in the second quadrant. Second quadrant means sin and cosec are positive, rest all are negative. Okay. Third one is cot of x equal to 3 by 4, and x lies in the third quadrant. Cot of x 3 by 4. Cot means this is adjacent, this is opposite. Opposite is 4, adjacent is 3. Again, this is a Pythagorean triplet. So, tan of x is 4 by 3. Sin of x is sin 4 by 5. Cos of x is 3 by 5. Cosec of x is 5 by 4. Sec of x is 5 by 3. Okay. And x lies in the third quadrant. Third quadrant means tan and cot are positive and rest are negative. Okay. Sec of x equal to 13 by 5. X lies in the fourth quadrant. So drawing sec of x is ulta of cos of x. Cos of x is adjacent upon hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse upon adjacent. Okay. So 13 square minus 5 square. 169 minus 25. You will get 144. That is 12. Okay. So cos of x is 5 by 13. Tan of x is 12 by 5. Cot of x is 5 by 12. Sin of x is sin 12 by 13. Cosec of x is 13 by 12. And x is in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. Rest all are negative. Okay. Last one, tan of x minus 5 by 12. X lies in the second quadrant. Tan, opposite, adjacent. Okay. So 25 plus 144, 169, 13. Pythagorean triplet. Cot of x 12 by 5. Sin of x 5 by 13. Cos of x 12 by 13. Cosec of x 13 by 5. Sec of x 13 by 12. Okay. X lies in the second quadrant. Second quadrant, sin and cosec are positive. Rest all are negative. Okay. Next question is you have to find the values of the trigonometric functions in exercises 6 to 10. Okay. Sixth question, sine 765 degree. Now you have to write this in terms of like this, sine of some 2 pi plus x. Okay. So 2 pi must be something closer to this value. That is, in the table of 365, you will get one value which is closer to this value. So that is 2 pi and 0 we consider same. Okay. So 360 sorry, into 1 into 2. 720 is closer to this. Okay. And if I take 65 minus 20, we'll get 45. And there is a value of 45, right? So we can write this as 765 as sine of 720 plus 45. Okay, 720 plus 45 is 765. So 720 you can write it as 2 into 360. Okay, 2 into 360 means this is 4 pi, right? And for pi we consider same as 0. So this is nothing but sine of 45 degree. Okay, sine 45 is 1 upon root 2. Okay. Next one, cosec of minus 1410 degree. Again you have to find a number which is closer to this number in the table of 360. Okay. So this is closer. So 40 minus 10. So you'll get 30. Okay. We can write this as cosec of which is nothing but 2 into 360 degree, not 2, this is 4, right? So this we consider as 0. Okay, but we want this value. So we'll take this as cosec of 30 degree. Okay, which is nothing but 2. Next is question 8. Tan of 19 pi by 3. Now you have to reduce this to some number, okay, so that it becomes something like 2 pi plus means multiple of pi plus something, okay. So 19 pi I can write it as you should take a number which is closer to 3, that is a multiple of 3, so that we can cut that number. Okay, so I can take 20 plus pi, not 20, 18 pi plus pi, 1 pi. So we'll get 10 of 18 pi upon 3 plus pi by 3. So this is 6 pi. 6 pi is a multiple of 2 to pi. So this we can consider as 0. So this will be 10 of pi by 3. 10 of pi by 3. So pi by 3 is 60. 10 of 60 is root 3. Okay. Ninth, sine of minus 11 by 3 pi. Okay. One thing, oh, okay. So minus 11 pi by 3. How you can write this? I can write this as sine of minus 12 pi plus pi upon 3. Right? So sine of minus 12 by 3 is minus 4 pi plus pi by 3. Okay. So this is nothing but 0 again. So we can take sine of pi by 3. Sine of pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. Okay. Next, cot of minus 16 pi plus pi. 4. So cot of 4 pi plus pi by 4. Cot of pi by 4, which is 1.